Dumpty sat on the wall. He looked at the world so big and tall. He giggled and laughed with the birds in the sky as the clouds sailed past. Oh my, oh my. Humpty Dumpty having fun, sitting on the wall in the warm sun. Don't you worry, don't you fret, Humpty Dumpty's not done yet. Humpty Dumpty looked down below at the tiny people walking to and fro. He waved at the children who waved back too. He gave them a smile, oh how they knew. Humpty Dumpty full of glee, sitting on the wall so happily, with a giggle and a cheer. Humpty Dumpty, we're glad you're here. Then one day a strong wind blew, and Humpty Dumpty didn't know what to do. He wobbled, he teetered, and then he fell. But don't you worry, he's fine and well. Humpty Dumpty, what a surprise, falling from the wall, oh my, my, my. But he bounced right up with a big hooray. Back to the wall, he's ready to play. Humpty Dumpty climbed up again. The birds and the squirrels cheered with a grin. He said, don't worry, I'm strong and tough. I'll sit on this wall, never enough. Humpty Dumpty, take your seat back on the wall, isn't it sweet? Wobbling, giggling, what a fun day. Humpty Dumpty's here to stay. Now every day Humpty's on the wall, watching the world and having a ball with friends all around the sun up high. He'll sit on the wall and never say goodbye. Humpty Dumpty, always here, sitting on the wall without fear, bouncing and laughing every day. Humpty Dumpty loves to play. So if you ever see Humpty Dumpty again, sitting on the wall just like a friend, say hello and wave with a smile, because Humpty Dumpty will be here a while. Humpty Dumpty, here he'll stay, sitting on the wall and ready to play. The happy heart and a giggly song, Humpty Dumpty, we sing along. So if you ever see Humpty Dumpty again, sitting on the wall just like a friend, say hello and wave with a smile, because Humpty Dumpty will be here a while. Humpty Dumpty, here he'll stay, sitting on the wall and ready to play, with a happy heart and a giggly song. Humpty Dumpty, we sing along. So if you ever see Humpty Dumpty again, sitting on the wall